In and around Orlando, the landscape has been enriched by several new art installations. Crane's Roost Park in Altamonte Springs is home to Nurture, a 13,000-pound stainless steel mother crane nesting with her baby, sculpted by Mark Aeling. In Maitland, you can visit Blossom, an 18-foot-tall orange blossom that symbolizes the point where the orange blossom flower transforms into a fruit. It was created by Reed Madden Design. On Fairbanks Avenue, Rhythmic Colors, designed by RLF Architects, celebrates the colors and culture of Winter Park. Artist Hunter Brown's Solidarity stands near the Colonial Drive pedestrian bridge, a sculpture that represents the coming together of the community. And the 40-foot family tree sculpture by artist JEFRØ near Grand National Drive expresses all the emotions people feel when they come to Central Florida.